Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today we are in the kitchen and we are going to look at some of the names of the utensils that we have in the kitchen. So let's go. So we have spoons, knives and forks. When we talk about spoons, we have different sizes. So the small ones are called a teaspoon and the bigger ones are called a dessert spoon. When we talk about utensils, these are the other things that we use in the kitchen. We use a whisk, we use a potato masher. These are measuring cups. This is a fish slice. This is a peeler, a vegetable peeler. This is a spatula. This is an ice cream scoop. This is a tin opener or a can opener. And this is a serving spoon, or if we have a slightly bigger version of this, it's called a ladle. Here we have a kettle. These are tongs. Other things in the kitchen, we also have scales when we measure ingredients. This is called a scales. This is the hob. And here we have the oven. We have a microwave, air fryer, sink where we wash the dishes. We have plates, bowls. We have the dishwasher where we wash the plates. We have the washing machine where we wash the clothes. So don't confuse those two. We have a dryer for drying clothes if you don't dry clothes outside. And then we have a fridge and freezer. So the freezer is the colder one of the two. And that concludes our tour of the kitchen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.